We work with an insurance brokerage firm that had agencies all over the world. They had huge growth goals, but they had a small team of people that were still manually processing all of this data in Excel, and it would take them months to figure out if they were compliant, really truly profitable, if they were serving the needs of all of their agencies that were a part of this organization. And so we were able to come in and take a look at data that was coming in over time in different structures and different formats, and basically put something together that said, how can we take advantage of things like Azure Data Lake and Data Lake Analytics? How can we use the scale of Azure Data Warehouse? How can we get the customers more access to the data with Power BI and let them self-serve more, so we're not sticking with this tight little group of the same people that are constantly doing that? This customer was at risk for GDPR non-compliance. They were at risk of not being able to even approach their growth targets. Since we've done this work and moving them into the Azure cloud, they're doing a lot more in the cloud. They've added Databricks solutions for scale out and additional processing capacity. They're looking at more of their database footprint moving up to Azure SQL database. They're really embracing the cloud transformation journey and what it's given them. And initially there's always resistance. There's always, well, this is the way we've done it and we're comfortable and we're confident, but we know there's a problem. There's this big nagging feeling that they can't continue to grow. You can't keep doing the same thing and expect different results. And so what we were able to do is help this organization figure out, what data they had, what data they needed to be able to get access to and analyze, and who should be working on it. And once we got through that business analysis with them, we were able to turn that into a technology platform in a very straightforward way using the Azure cloud. We could bring all of these services together. One of the things that you hear me talk about a lot when we talk about like an Azure versus an AWS or an Azure versus another competitor is that the Azure services are built to work together. And that's one of the things that accelerated this solution, was being able to take Azure Data Warehouse, Data Lake Analytics, Databricks, Power BI, all of the storage platforms, as well as SQL DB, and bring them all together in one architecture so that everybody got the data that they needed. Nothing really needed to be optimized because things were running in the right service at the right scale, and that they're getting performance that will keep them running for years to come. And we're super excited about being able to bring all those things together, but we get a lot of questions from customers and from you out there watching this YouTube channel about, what are real customers doing and how are they leveraging these different solutions? And so I wanted to be able to share this one with you today. We just are wrapping up this project, and we're finishing up our case studies and things, and we'll post those when we get them ready. But you too can achieve this kind of transformation, whether it's just with a small data mart or data warehouse, or just your reporting with Power BI. There's a ton of opportunity for you when you look at using a modern cloud that is designed to work together and is designed to work with all the different ways that you need to work. As you know, PragmaticWorks is a preferred cloud partner, and we can certainly service anything you need having to do with the cloud. So if you're interested in learning more about how we can help, or just talking more about where your challenges are, let us know. We're happy to help, and thanks for watching.